Greetings. We are from Sandipani Vidyalaya, and this is a model of our hybrid renewable energy system which integrates solar and wind energy utilizing lithium batteries and sand silos as storage mechanisms. Solar panels would act as the primary source of energy on all rooftops. Windmills' power produced is used in the nighttime. As seen here, the windmills are along the coastline where wind speeds are maximum and all the windmills will spin at very high speeds, generating large amounts of power. This power will be divided among the houses and the storage sites. Located at a safe distance from the residents, these windmills may be a big investment, but they ensure high return in the long run. The town will be completely independent of government power, and there will be total self sustenance of electricity for residents. In fact, even in the night time, the town will be fully powered with ample backup supply for all situations. Lithium batteries provide efficient storage, and sand silos are a novel method to store thermal heat. For complete control over our power supply, we have developed an AI control station capable of both manual and automatic control. In the manual control mode, the mere press of a button can switch the source of current, ensuring that there is always power regardless of the source while still keeping all energy renewable and green. Thus, our project idealizes a new concept, integrating existing power generation methods like solar and wind energy with new AI control and sand silo storage methods.
Imagine a giant thermal battery, not filled with chemicals but with sand. This is the sand silo, a clean and efficient way to store renewable energy for long periods. During the day, when there's excessive solar or wind power, the green energy is sent to heating resistors or coils placed inside the silo. These resistors heat up the sand, which is packed tightly inside the silo. The temperature of the sand can rise between 600 to 1000 degrees Celsius. That's enough to store a massive amount of thermal energy. The silo is built with multiple layers, a highly insulated inner layer, a second protective layer, and a strong concrete wall, all designed to prevent heat loss. Thanks to the insulation, the heat can stay trapped for weeks or even months with minimal loss. It's like a giant thermos for renewable energy. When energy is needed, say at night or during cloudy days, air is passed through the hot sand via a valve and an air passage system. As the air moves through, it absorbs the stored heat and becomes hot air, which can then be used to generate steam for turbines, heat buildings, or supply industrial processes. In short, the sand battery turns excessive green energy into stored heat, which is reliable, clean, and available on demand. Bridge the gap between energy generation and consumption.
Now, let me take you through our AI control station. This station manages the distribution of power from the wind and solar sources. The AI also allows us to make statistical predictions and keep residents safer. From the various sources, the energy we get a good amount of excess during the day. The AI will decide how to store this too. The national grid connection allows us to sell excess power to the government, returning revenue for the village. If the battery isn't full, 50% goes to the battery, 20% to our sand silos, and 30% to our national grid. In case all storage is full, the energy goes 100% to the grid, which results in more payback. When solar or wind is not generating enough power, stored energy from lithium battery station is taken. If this too is not enough, the AI taps into the sand silos for energy. Thus, with this AI system, the need for specific employee training will be reduced and regular manual maintenance will be enough. This station simplifies managing operations, allowing the project to reach the height of its functionality.
Single axis tilting mechanism provides plus or minus 30-degree adjustment using servo motors and LDR sensors. This increases energy capture by 25 to 30% compared to fixed installations. Smart automatic cleaning schedule every 3 days maintain 95% efficiency.